Hello, this is Dave from Elliott Data Systems. In this video we're going to talk about creating an asset and what it takes to create an asset. We need a couple of things in an asset. We're going to click on the Asset Setup button and click Clear New. That will clear our fields. There are three things that we need to create an asset. That's an asset name. We're going to use Air Compressor. And an asset location and quantity on an initial creation. You can also add expiration dates, status, license plate, serial numbers, those things. Here we're going to select the warehouse, verify our date, we have one, and we're going to click Apply. Click Save. You've created your first asset. Now we can go over to the Asset Name field and actually take a look at what we created by typing in a partial, select it, and it will activate it up into the upper fields. This is how you create an asset. Now that we've created a quick asset, let's go in and create a generator with more detail. So we're going to start out in the main menu again and click Asset Setup. From the Asset Setup screen, we're going to click Clear New again and type in the Asset Name field, Generator Green. We're going to add a description. Alco generator. You can add a serial number. You can add a serial number. We can also go over and set the status of the asset. Expiration date can be set to a date in the future if you want to expire this asset. If you have a license plate, you can record that and any notes. We're going to also check the requires maintenance. We'll go into more details what that means later. Again, we're going to select the location and the quantity to be entered. Now this is a permanent asset. We'll go into detail on that later. We're going to select the vendor and cost. We're going to buy this from Elliott Data Systems, and our cost is going to be $5,000. Click Apply. We're also going to select a grant that we're going to use to purchase this, the USE 2014. We'll associate that grant to it. Click Apply. We can use typing. We're going to set these to EMS resources, and agency that's going to own this is going to be the police department. Click Save, and it will save our asset. You've created an asset with more detail. Now that we've got our green generator set up as an asset, let's go ahead and add an image of the asset so that we can see what the asset looks like. Go to the asset name field, type in gen. You'll see that we have two generators listed. Let's select the generator green. On the right hand side of the screen we have a photo section. It currently says no photo available. Let's right click that square and that'll bring up our browsing dialog. We then can browse for the picture and select which picture we want. Double click the picture and then click Save to save the updated record. Answer yes to update. You've now added a picture to your asset.